Today we have another professional USB headset, a Logitech model that was used in a call center. For the first few days, something strange has been happening with this headset. We can hear very high frequencies and very low frequencies, but the most important part, the mid-range frequencies where human voice exists, are missing. That means music sounds weird and voice are almost impossible to understand. Let's open this first, this thing. But you can see, we don't see any screw. We'll just open this pad first and then what? Glued. Behind this cover, here is a screw. Let's open it. Okay, another round thing. Then behind this foam, there is no screw, but I think this is the way we can open it. First two open, and it has two more. Third one, and nice. So actually, okay. And now we have to open this thing too. It has the main circuit that makes this thing alive. It converts digital signal to analog audio signal. We don't need to understand a lot of things because we don't want to work with this microcircuit. We are going to check the continuity of this output wire. It has some protective layer over this solder joint. Have to clean it first, then we can use our multimeter to check its condition. Here is one audio driver. We can see in here we have 5 wire: green, red, golden, and don't know what it is, and it's a mixed color, red with greenish something. So in here we have the golden wire and the red wire. Let's try to open this thing and see if we can change this wire or something. I don't want to damage these audio drivers. I'm going to disconnect this wire because I know the speaker are good. Only the problem is in the wire. Here is a screw. More screws are hidden behind this sticker. Continuity check. Green with green connected, red with red connected, golden with golden disconnected, green one with green connected, mix with mix connect. Now the golden wire is totally disconnected from the circuit in both sides. So okay, now we need an replacement cable with 5 wire inside one cable. I have this USB cable. It has 6 wire inside. Our replacement cable is ready, and now we're going to solder it. Red to red connected, then green. This part soldering done, and now these are connected too. And now we're going to check that is everything okay or not. Now it can play voice. Okay, soldering done, wire is connected and it works. I use some adhesive glue in here so the glue dry and work as insulator. Okay, now we're going to assemble everything. Okay, at first we are going to assemble this piece. Okay, it will be a challenge for me. Fix it right position. We need some insulator around this wire. So I use some black silicone glue here for protect this cable. Now I'm going to screw this. Here is the screw and clip. We will keep this extra glue in here and not going to clean it because it will hold this wire in right position. Now it's time to work with this. This part is little bit tricky. Okay, right. This one first. Oh, okay. Let's use some silicone glue in here too. Now this cover and screw. It has 4 more screws. Screw the bust screw. Nice. Let's check it again. Still work or not? So after checking everything with the multimeter, we confirmed that the speaker and the internal wiring are fine, but the common ground wire inside the main cable was broken somewhere in the middle. Since this type of multi-core flexible headset cable wasn't available, I had to improvise. I replaced it with a USB cable that had 6 internal wires, used 5 of them, and revealed the signal path manually. The cable is thicker and stiffer than ideal, so fitting it inside the headset was a bit challenging. To make sure it lasts, I reinforced all the solder joint with adhesive and secured the cable to the headset body with black silicone glue to prevent stress and future breakage. And now the headset is working perfectly again, clear sound, proper voice frequencies, and full functionality restored. If you enjoyed this kind of real world electronics repair, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair.